place where our initiator used to be. Now is the time. I should go and help my son to solve the case.
Welcome, my boss. Welcome to the city.
Hey Sean, what about that little number you've been talking about last week? Is she all good?
Surprise, surprise, guys! What's up? Let's play some game?
Hey, what's the matter, bro? Oh fuck, holy fuck, holy fuck.
What is this?
Sir, we have located Falcon's man in the South Park area.
Okay. We must go there in two different directions. How many men?
I don't know, maybe 20 to 30?
Get out, or you'll be dead already.
Sir, come here. I have located Robin here. Check this out.
Looks like it right here, looks like, see? Hey Tony, bring your best man here. We are going there. There may be hostages.
Commissioner, you may not like it, but our intelligence has spotted Joker.
This might be about the package.
Commissioner, Officer Hector is already on site. He may be able to give you some. Hello? Hello? Take it off.
Hello Hector. Keep me updated. We are coming.
Here's the big boy coming. Ow. Ow. Oh.
you. This is the only place in the city we communicate. You, and you. Rest of you, stay back.
Useless fellow. It's you idiots want, huh? Tell me about your plans. You bitches, where's Falcon? Tell me, where's Sunday? Huh?
Why not me? Transfer your department. Oh, Scala.
Oh, yes. Go home and jerk.
Lucy. So you have joined the last fate as well. And quite a team you have gathered. Johnny, sometimes it's okay to have some fun, don't you think?
Hey everywhere, it's me. I'm back in Gotham. The crime lord is back. Gotham will be colored in red, bloody red. Blood will be diverted everywhere.